Hi everyone, in this video I'll be going over Apply Your Learning question number 1 from the Solution Concentration Unit. Question number 1 asks, what is the concentration of a solution after you diluted 40 milliliters of a 6 molar solution to prepare 210 milliliters of the solution? So the key word in this question is diluted. Whenever you see a question and it's asking about a dilution, you want to immediately think of this equation here. M1V1 equals M2V2, where M represents the concentration and V represents the volume of a solution. 1 and 2 indicate which one is the initial and final state of the solution. So if we go back through the word problem, we can locate which value corresponds to which variable. If we're starting with 40 milliliters, then we know that that's our volume, our initial volume, or V1. We started out at 6 molar, and since molar is a unit of concentration, we know that that is concentration number 1, or M1. And we want to end with 210 milliliters. And so that will be our V2, or our final volume. So the variable we're missing is our M2, so that'll be our X in this situation. So let's go ahead and fill in our equation with our known values. We have M1, which is 6 molar. V1, which is 40 milliliters. M2 is our unknown, so we'll leave that as an X. And V2 we know is 210 milliliters. In this equation, as long as the units for concentration and volume respectively stay the same from both sides of the equal sign, it's not super important that they are any specific unit. So if the volume was in liters on both sides of the equation, that would be fine as long as it's consistent. Or if concentration was in another unit, such as molality, that would be fine as well. So let's go ahead and multiply out our algebraic equation. We can just solve this like any other math problem now. We have 240 on the left and 210 times x. On the right, we can divide both sides by 210. To find that x equals 1.14. And since we were solving for concentration, we'll go ahead and keep our units consistent and use molar. So M2 equals 1.14 molar.